Jai Shri Ram. In the Anugita, Sri Krishna describes tamas as the worst of the three gunas. 14:36:4. Okay. The three gunas help us understand the variations in the character of human beings. All the three gunas exist in every human being, but their proportions vary. The three gunas are interdependent and they are basic, and they are the basic tools of Prakriti. Okay. Tamo rajas tatha sattvam gunanetan prachakshate अन्योन्य मिथुना सर्वे तथा अन्योन्य अनुजीविनः. Okay, next Krishna now describes, because of the interplay of the three gunas, no one is 100% bad, no one is 100% good. When tamas, which causes all the bad nature, is suppressed, chances are that improvement takes place gradually. Rajas goes up and slowly Rajas is replaced by Sattva. The same idea Krishna describes even in the Bhagavad Gita. Tamaso midhunam sattvam sattvasya midhunam rajah rajaschapi sattvam syat sattvasya midhunam tamah niyamyate tamo yatra rajastatra pravartate niyamyate rajo yatra sattvam tatra pravartate. Now about tamas, 14:36:8. Krishna says tamas is the worst. It denotes ignorance and the tendency to commit atrocities, all kinds of papam due to ignorance, and the person makes all kinds of wrong interpretations of what his swadharma is, and the tendency to commit all kinds of crimes, papam, is partly neutralized since rajas and sattva are also present there at the same time. Okay. Naishatmakam tamo vidyat trigunam mohasangitam adharma lakshanam chaiva niyatam papakarmasu tamasam rupametat tu drishyate chapi sangatam. Next, Krishna goes on to say tamas tendencies include lack of character, violence, atheism, carelessness, and it induces paranoia, delusion, negligence, laziness, and slothfulness. Sammoho ajnana matyagah karmanam viniryayah swapnah stambho bhayam lobhah swatah sukrut dushanam asmruti asmrutischa avipakascha nastikyam bhinnavruttita nirvisheshatvam andhatvam jaganya gunavruttita. And then ignorance, error, hankering after unlawful gains, lack of understanding, misunderstanding everything, laziness, inertia, pessimism, these are all the symptoms of tamas, and the tendency to go astray from swadharma. All this is tamasika. So, anarjavam, asangyatvam, karma papam, achetana, gurutvam, sannabhavatvam, vashitvam, vaggatihi, ajnanat, swadharma tyagah, paradharma वृत्तिस्तथा सर्व एते गुणा वृत्तास् तामसाः संप्रकीर्तिताः. Krishna adds that tamasic behavior is also seen when people put obstacles in the path of progress of others and also themselves. Ye chanye vihita bhava loke asmin bhava sanyitaah tatra tatra niyamyante sarve te tamasa gunaah. So obstructing spiritual progress is also a trait of tamasic people. Further, Krishna adds by saying, opposing Sanatan Dharma, Vedic Dharma, supporting Adharma, this is also tamasic. All kinds of mean unhygienic practices, lack of spiritual hygiene, and non-cooperation in dharmic activity, and intentionally causing social disharmony, and infecting others with anger, jealousy, arrogance, snobbery. These are all tamasika again. Parivada katha nityam deva brahmana vaidiki atyagascha abhimanascha moho manyustatha akshama matsaraschaiva bhuteshu tamasam vruttamishyate. Interestingly, Krishna also tells us that if you do charity and that charity is used for any antisocial activity, you will incur papam, and such donations are tamasic. And food that destroys health is also tamasic. Of course, in Bhagavad Gita, Yatayamam Gatarasam, 17th chapter 5, 6, 7, 8, you can see on food Krishna explains in detail. Now, वृथारंभा हि ये केचित् वृथा दानानि यानि च वृथा भक्षणमित्येतत् तामसं वृत्तमिष्यति. Next, Krishna elaborates superstition, envy, fault finding, creating disharmony, intolerance, bigotry in society. All these are tamasic. And being extremely selfish and harming others' interest and looting, cheating, all these are tamasic. Ativado ati tiksha. Ati tiksha. So superstition, jealousy, fault finding, all these things. Cha matsaryam abhimanita kevalam swartha sadhanam tamasam vruttamishyate. And already I told you, putting obstacles in the process of dharma, spiritual growth of others, and this is also tamasika. Evam vidhascha ye केचिल लोकेस्मिन् पापकर्मिणः मनुष्या भिन्न मर्यादास्ति सर्वे तामसा स्मृता. And making modifications in all kinds of rituals according to Deshakala Patra, and ignoring the dharmic content, and serving only to improve their celebrity status or getting cheap popularity. This is also tamasic. And opposing programs that can help society move forward, opposing programs that uplift the neglected sections of society, and anger towards all kinds of reform. This is again tamasika. You see, the women's bill was not passed, you see, thanks to the opposition, which is purely tamasic. They have blocked it. At least now Hindus will wake up and they will vote Modi to power in all the states where BJP is not in power. So, tamo moho mahamohas tamisriha mahamohas mohas tamamishraha krodha sanyitaha maranam tvan dhatam misrastam misraha krodha uchyate. And Krishna concludes this discussion by saying, now that you know tamas as I have described it, you should be able to get rid of it as far as possible. Of course, although a small part will always remain. Tamo guna bahuvidha prakirtita yadavaduktam cha tamah paravaram narohi yo veda gunaniman sada sa tamasaihi sarvagunaihi pramuchyate. Jai Shri Ram. So, this is from Manu Gita, I told you, where he is elaborating on tamas. Jai Shri Ram.